Howdy, and welcome to Brooklyn Tool Garage. Doing the restoration on the cab on this 1970 Dodge truck, and this video is going to go over our final coatings that we have going on here, and then we're going to get to installing some stuff on there, right? So what I did was, we already got a lizard skin on there, and I've got this scuffed and wiped down, letting all the paint thinner kind of dry up right now. What we did in the corners right in here, we did like the Reform and Seal as an internal frame coating. I actually got a video on kind of a little more detail on that. That's going to be linked below. We're going to top it off. I'm going to use up the rest of my gloss Ferguson gray. Not much of it left. I'm not going to buy any more of that color. Then the rest of it we'll do a dark Ford gray. And that'll get all of this one uniform color in here, and then seal up anything like the primers where I didn't quite get the lizard skin on there good. By the way, if you're doing lizard skin, don't use a gray primer, because when you're shooting it, you can't tell how good you did it. But if you look at the other videos in here, this is very well preserved and covered right there. This is just going to be a top coat. That's it. And just like that, we're all pretty much same color here. Looks so much better. Okay, while that's curing up, I need to work on my steering column that is in the back of the truck. Get that cleaned up right there. Not really doing a rebuild on it. There's only one wire connector for the turn signals. And that's it, and, well, horn. So we're just going to clean that up, get some paint on it, and once that's dry, we can get that in, we can get our pedals in. It'll be looking a whole lot more like a truck after all that. And voila, pedals are painted. But I think that's where we're going to stop for now. I'm not going to get the dash in because the windshield, I want to do the windshield and get all that clean. But before I do the windshield, I want a hood on. That way the windshield has a place to go. But I can't put the hood on because we're missing these nuts in here, and I can't get back behind in there to weld or anything on that. So we're going to use a special tool on that to get that replaced. Then I can get the hood hinges done, get the hood on, then get the windshield out, clean all that up, then get back to the dash. So yeah, a couple steps to get there, but we're going to get there. And last but not least, before we put the dash in, we need a heater box. So that is going to be a build video on the heater box. I can't find a heater core, so we're going to see how good this one is, if it leaks, and have to play heater core repair if not, or try to figure out something that will fit. Yeah, that could get interesting there, but be on the lookout for the heater box rebuild video.